They called him the Swamp Fox, a shadow in the Carolina marshes who turned guerrilla warfare into a weapon against the British Empire. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Francis Marion wasn't a general of grand armies. He was a small, quiet South Carolinian who fought the British from the shadows. Marion and his men lived rough, sleeping in swamps, forests, and abandoned farms. No uniforms, little pay, survival depended on speed and secrecy. His force was small, local farmers, hunters, and freedmen, fighting for homes the British could never truly control. Marion avoided open battles. He struck fast, ambushing patrols, destroying supply lines, then vanished before the enemy could respond. British officers chased Marion for weeks, never catching him. Frustrated, infamous British Lieutenant Colonel Bannister Tarleton reportedly called him that damned swamp fox. Marion's raids forced Britain to divert troops, weakened their grip on the South, and supported generals like Nathaniel Greene. While Britain won battles, Marion won time, keeping the rebellion alive until the tide turned against the Empire. Francis Marion proved you don't need a large army to win a war, just knowledge of the land, the people, and relentless resolve.